Having been in the professional writing business since 2010 gives me the credibility to give you valuable tips on how to start a successful writing business. If this is something you want to continue watching, give this video a like. And if you want videos that will teach you how to be successful in business, career, and life, then hit the subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss any video I post on Wednesdays. In case we haven't met, I'm Lisa Mackey, and I help people fulfill their dream business, career, and life. In this video, I'm going to give you valuable tips on how to start a successful writing business. So let's dive in. First, make sure that you have what it takes to be considered a good writer. If you love writing and other people say you're good at it, chances are you have good writing skills. However, you need more than that. You need credentials for people to trust you, and besides, you want to live up to your reputation as a good writer. So it's time to brush up on your skills. Do your research, start blogging, start putting out good social media content, and enroll in writing classes. Just keep polishing on your skills. That will add to your credentials. Now, in this day and age, knowing how to use a computer is a must for any writing business. So if you are kind of weak in that area, it's time to enroll in a computer class, or you can ask your children to teach you. If you don't have a computer, well, that will be the first investment you need to make for your business. Next, let's identify the different types of writing services that you can offer to the market and choose the one that works best for you. Let's start with editing. There is a huge demand for editing services. You can offer editing services for any type of content imaginable. You can do book editing, you can do editing for manuscripts, for proposals, for letters, and this type of service requires keen attention to detail, technical skills, technical writing skills, which includes being really good with grammar. Now, another service you can offer is copywriting and content writing. Now, these two are related but different. Content writing is mostly associated with writing for online purposes, but is not limited to that. Its main purpose is to inform and educate. Copywriting's main purpose is to sell and persuade. Now, to be a good content writer, you need to be knowledgeable with SEOs or search engine optimization because it is predominantly for online purposes. Another type of writing service is resume writing, which is my top writing service. Now, to be a good resume writer requires both creative and technical writing skills. Having a human resources background is also a plus point. And you need to be computer savvy because most, if not all, resumes are submitted online. Then you have the business plan writing, which is very tedious. Now, a business plan is a document that business owners submit to financial institutions to get loans, so this requires knowledge of business math. It is not as difficult as it seems to be, but it requires a lot of patience. Letter and proposal writing is another type of writing service that you can offer. Now, this can cover a lot of requirements, including letter for the court, resignation letter, proposals for bids and other projects. And then you have speech writing, newsletter writing, book writing, and so many other writing requirements. Seriously, if you have the writing skills and you have the passion for it, you can have a successful writing business. After choosing the writing service that you want to offer, or what you can do best, and by the way, you can offer more than one writing service, but choose one main service that will be your bread and butter. So after you choose, then the third step is to create your financial projections. Now, this is what I failed to do when I started my business. And this is why I'm sharing it with you because it is so important. If you want to succeed in your writing business, don't settle for small gigs. Use those gigs as supplementary income. Aim for something sustainable or big projects. Now, in creating your financial projection, think of everything you need to spend for it. Think of all your expenses. And then think of the income that you want to make on a monthly basis. So that income should be able to cover all your expenses, plus have something on the side to save or to reinvest in your business. Now, once you have that, think now about the pricing of your services and think about the number of clients you can handle. This is where you make all the adjustments. If your service is priced low, then you will need more clients to come up with your income. And how many clients can you really handle? So all these are questions you can ask in creating your financial projection. Once you have a clearer picture of your financial projection, the fourth step is to create your website. Yes, you need a website if you want to have a successful writing business. Most of my clients hired me because of what they've seen on my website. You need a website to showcase your creativity and writing skills. So what do you need in your website? Your website should show people who you are, why they can trust you, what you offer, how they can pay, where they can sign up, and how much your offering is. To give you a clearer idea of what should be on your website, you can visit mine by going to lisamackeyconsulting.com. You don't need to hire anyone to do your website. Do it on your own if you want to have a successful writing business. It's not difficult. You just need to be persistent. The fifth step in starting a successful writing business is to find your niche. Where are the people and who are the people who need your services? In the case of resume writing, the niche is people who are looking for jobs. Now, if you want to narrow that down, you can either do it with your pricing or by focusing on specific fields. So an example would be management level IT jobs. Now, it's not enough to identify your niche, but you need to find them. So where are the people who are looking for IT management jobs? So perhaps you can join networking groups in that particular field, or you can go to LinkedIn and join groups that are IT based or IT focused. You need to be creative and resourceful. Now, once you've found your niche, all you need to do is to keep promoting and marketing your services. And this video will help you get more clients. Now, there are other steps in starting a successful writing business, but what I've presented to you are the main steps. If you want to learn more extensively on how to start and build a successful writing business, let's start with a free mini course. Go to lisamackeyconsulting.com/dreambiz. And feel free to ask questions and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video has been helpful to you, give it a like and share it with those who will benefit from it. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified of every video I post on Wednesdays. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.